Hello guys and welcome to my first video on this channel. Today we will be learning about Python. So the first thing you need to learn about Python is that it is an object-oriented programming language, and it's very simple to learn and read it. So let's get started. So first we will be learning about printing stuff and using variables. Well, the basics of variables. But anyways, so let's get started. So in other programming languages, it will be console.writeLine, for example, in C#. But in Python is a whole different thing. It's very easy. All you have to do is just do print and then just type anything here. So for example, hello world, and then I'm going to run it. Let me just get the terminal up. New terminal. And then I'm going to run it again. And then you should see hello world in just a few seconds here. Yep, there's hello world. So if you want to make a value, if you want to store something, you can do variable test. So remember that you can't really do like this or this. So if you want to make a space, you have to do an underscore. So in variables, it's very easy. In Python, variables are pretty much the easiest thing. So for example, hello world. I'm going to put that variable and to be printed here, and then I'm going to run it. Then I'm going to run this thing, and as you can see, there's no difference. But if I change it up a bit, hello world, my name is John. So it will not print hello world. It will print hello world, my name is John, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it. So I will see you in the next video, hopefully. I might record a second video today, depends on my availability. Anyways, goodbye.